Hello, how to make a guerrilla marketing video. I'm going to give you 10 simple steps to create a guerrilla marketing video, but you can also use this to create an entire guerrilla marketing campaign series, because series are so much better than a single video. You will get your audience to come back over and over again, just like the company Blendtec did when they did Will It Blend? That was their video series. So what do you want to do? Okay, let's start with step number 1. What is your creative concept? Come up with a very creative concept. It can be based on a trend, but almost better if you give it a theme. Just like Blendtec did Will It Blend, they created a theme, Will It Blend, using their blender. And from their blender, they came up with this concept of using unbelievably bizarre items in the blender to see if they'll blend. A creative concept. That's number 1. What is number 2? Number 2 is a catchy title. Will it blend? Okay, I'm using that all over again because really that's a very catchy title. Will it blend? It makes you wonder, it makes you think. What do they mean? What's going to be blended? It's catchy, it's fun, it's simple, it's very short. So number 2, a catchy title. Number 3 is it searchable? Make it searchable. And what do I mean by searchable? What are your keywords? What are your long tail keywords? So what are people going to type in and search for organically? So people might type in, will it blend, blah, blah, blah. So that is a long tail keyword, maybe not the blah, blah, blah part, but will it blend? Not just blender, website, not just single words. Those are keywords, but those are kind of useless. You want to think of something that's a long tail keyword that will get people to type in organically something that they search for. That's number 3. Number 4, shareable. Is it shareable? That is so critical because to go viral, you want something that multiple people want to share. So it's got to be something that instantly catches someone's attention. They watch the video, they love it for whatever reason. It's fun, it's funny, it's shocking, it's unexpected, all of those things, or some of those things are great. And then their first thought is, oh my gosh, my husband, my boyfriend, my sister, my cousin, my mom, my dad, whoever has to see this. And so they share it. And then those people share it, and those people share it, and that's how it's going to become a viral video. What do I mean by viral? Viral is, generally speaking right now, when it gets about 10,000 views. So about 10,000 views means, it's gone from person to person to person to person to person, and all of a sudden it's gotten 10,000 plus views. So that might sound like a low number because you've probably heard that there are people who get millions of views. Well, that's fantastic, but 10,000 is a pretty good number. So that's number 4, shareable. Number 5, be disruptive. What do I mean by be disruptive? Be unusual, be so creative that it disrupts what people are typically going to be thinking. It changes the way you look at something. It creates something completely new. It disrupts. So think of something that is disruptive. That's number 5. Number 6, inspire curiosity. You want people to wonder, what in the world is this? So will it blend? Again, let's go back to that. That inspires curiosity. People want to know, will it blend? I don't know. Good Mythical Morning does this with their series in the morning, Will It Whatever. They probably got that from Will It Blend from Blendtec, but will it this, will it that? Will scrambled eggs work with Tabasco sauce? I know that sounds too typical, but anyway, think of something that's really, really going to make people wonder, what does that mean? I have to find out. So that's number 6. Number 7, everyone's heard this, KISS, KISS. Keep it simple, stupid. What it means is, don't overthink it. Don't make it so elaborate that no one's going to get it. Keep it really simple. When it's a very simple concept, it's so much easier for you to replicate it over and over and over again with different products, different services, different whatever to keep it new, interesting, unique, and fun. So keep it simple. Don't elaborate. Just keep to your concept and do it repeatedly. KISS. Number 8 is such a great one. Evoke emotions. So of course you want people to react. You want them to feel something. You want them to laugh. You want them to sigh. You want them to smile. You want them to go, oh my gosh, you want reactions. You want to evoke emotion. So whatever this video is about, you need to have some kind of a story in there, something that happens that is going to make people do something. Laugh, cry, laugh out loud, stomp their feet, go, oh my gosh. Whatever it is, you want them to evoke emotion. So that's number 8. Number 9, it seems so simple, and yet it's something that is kind of hard to do when you're sitting in front of a camera like I am and talking to a camera. I'm not talking to, you're not sitting there right in front of me. That would be so much easier. Be human, be authentic, be real. So I do say this, and yet at the same time, I want you to be larger than life. Because if you're just sitting there like this and you're just talking like this, this is just what you're like, and I can't even hear you. Okay, so I want to be able to hear you. I want you to be someone that I want to look at. It doesn't mean you have to be as up and animated as I am right now. Watch Blend Text, Will It Blend videos, because the CEO Tom Dixon shows you can just be a real person doing something super crazy and unexpected, but be very authentic at the same time. He's extremely likable. And one of the reasons is that he is so real. He just talks about his family. He talks about himself. One of the videos that he does is Will It Blend golf balls? And he starts that video by saying, I had a really bad day on the golf course. And then he shows a whole bunch of golf balls and he says, maybe it was my slice, but I don't think so. I think these golf balls stink. And he put all the golf balls in the blender and blended them. So funny, so surprising, so unexpected, and yet so human, because he was just talking about himself. And maybe he's just not a good golfer. Maybe he had a bad day golfing because he's really not a good golfer, but it's cute, it's fun, it's funny. So be authentic, be yourself. So what is number 10? Number 10 is super, super important. If you are doing this for your business, if you are promoting your business product or service, and you're doing guerrilla marketing to promote your product or service, what is the last thing you want to do? It's number 10. You don't want to sell. It's funny I say this because yes, this is all about selling. This is about selling your product. It's about selling your service, but super creatively. Not, boom, buy my product, hire me to do this for you, blah, 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 blah. No, you don't want to sell. This is not a hard sell. This is a fun, clever, unusual, creative, fun, funny, funky way of showing your product or service and how it can be used in a clever, unexpected way.
Will it blend? That is the question.
You're not hitting people over the head with a sales message. Don't sell your product. Don't say, you gotta buy my product because it's so great and it does this, 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 and this. No, you don't want to do that. What you want to do is you want to have fun. You want to create something that people love. They want to share it. They want to like it. They want to comment on it. They want other people to see it. It's something that is so different from what they expect. So much fun to watch. So intriguing, so creative, so clever that they want to come back and see the next one in the series and the next one after that. This is guerrilla marketing. So 10 steps, you can do them. Please, in comments below, tell me what you think about the idea of guerrilla marketing. What would you come up for a campaign? Are you gonna do it? Please do it. And post those comments below. If you like this video, please like it, as well as share it, and then subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and press the little bell so that you get every single video that's posted. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm Sherry Barbera.